Economics SSE past questions solved with crystal clear explanations. Your shortcut to WAEC, NECO, and GCE success. Today, we shall be looking at topics on economics definitions and scope of economics. So let me welcome you to the channel. And in this section, we are not just talking theory. We are solving real SSE past questions on one of the most important economics topics, economics definitions and scope of economics. We will tackle exam-style questions on key concepts like scarcity and choice, scale of preference, and opportunity cost. This is your chance to see how these topics appear in WAEC and NECO, and more importantly, how to answer them correctly. So if you are aiming for that A1 or B2, or you just want to build real life knowledge before the exams, you are in the right place. So let's sharpen your skills together. Let's solve these questions step by step. Okay, first question. The action of governments to forego road construction in order to provide more health facilities denotes dash. Option A, sound economic decision. B, opportunity cost. C, practicable government policy. D, scale of preference. The correct option is B, opportunity cost. Why? Because opportunity cost refers to the next best alternative foregone when a choice is made. When the government chooses to build hospital instead of road construction, the road construction becomes the opportunity cost. Next question. Scarcity in economics means that resources dash A are not enough to share among the producers of goods and services. B, resources needed to satisfy human wants are limited. C, resources are never enough to share among producers of goods and services. And D, resources required to meet our essential wants are unlimited. The correct answer is B. Resources needed to satisfy human wants are limited, because scarcity exists as a result of scarcity exists because the resources available to satisfy human wants are limited in supply. This creates the fundamental economic problems. Next question. Human wants are limited. B, human wants are scarce. C, human wants are unlimited. And D, human wants are in grades. The correct answer is unlimited. Human wants are unlimited, because human wants are said to be unlimited because people continuously desire more goods and services. Once one want is satisfied, another one arises. Next question. Economics is best described as the study of dash. A, the wealth of nation. B, how man consumes his product. C, how man provides for his everyday needs. And D, the distribution of wealth. The correct answer is C, how man provides for his everyday needs. Reasons. Economics focuses on how individuals and society meet their daily needs using limited resources. It is not just about wealth, but basic needs. Next one. The main concern of economics is to dash A, allocate scarce resources to satisfy human wants. B, satisfy all human wants. C, redistribute income between the rich and poor. D. Reduce cost of production. The correct answer is A. The main concern of economists is to allocate scarce resources to satisfy human wants. The main concern of economists is to ensure that limited resources are efficiently used to meet as many human wants as possible. Next question. Choice is necessitated by dash. A. Demand and supply. B. Cost of production. C. Production possibility. And D. Scarcity of resources. So the correct answer to that question is D. Scarcity of resources. Choice is necessitated by scarcity of resources, because resources are not enough to satisfy all human wants. So individuals and societies are forced to make choices. Next question. The concept of opportunity cost is also referred to as dash. Social cost, real cost, fixed cost, and variable cost. The correct answer to the question is B. Real cost. Because opportunity cost is sometimes called real cost because it represents the real sacrifice made when choosing one option over another. The ranking of consumers' needs in order of importance is termed dash. A. An opportunity cost. B. Economies of scale. C. A scale of preference. And D. The making of choice. The correct answer is a scale of preference. A scale of preference is a list of wants arranged in order of importance. It helps individuals decide what to satisfy first, given their limited resources. Next one. A scale of preference is a list of dash. Though this question is similar to the one we just treated, but let's go through it. A scale of preference is a list of dash. A. Consumers' wants arranged in order of importance. B. That helps the individual to make a rational choice. C. That enables the consumer to make a wise decision about his choice. And D. That is necessary because human beings are faced with competing wants. The correct answer is A. Consumers' wants arranged in order of importance. Like we said earlier on, a scale of preference helps individuals prioritize their needs and wants. This allows them to satisfy the most pressing one first due to the problem. And next question. Mr. Idowu needs a television and a refrigerator. Each costs 500 naira. If he buys the television, the refrigerator is dash. A. Marginal cost. B. Inferior items. C. Opportunity cost. And D. Supplementary item. The correct answer is C. Opportunity cost. That is, the refrigerator becomes the foregone alternative. Hence, it is the opportunity cost of choosing the television. Our next question. A consumer with $10 needs a dress, a pair of shoes, a handbag, and jewelry, costing $20, $10, $7, and $3 respectively. The opportunity cost of buying the pair of shoes is the dash. A. Dress. B. Jewelry. C. Handbag and jewelry. D. Dress and jewelry. The correct answer to the question is handbag and jewelry. Because if the consumer buys the shoes, he cannot buy both the handbag and jewelry, which together cost $10. Thus, the combined value of handbags and jewelry is the opportunity cost. Next question. One way of solving the problem of scarcity that faces individuals is for dash. A. The government to import goods massively so that the citizens can get all they want. B. For individuals is for them to work very hard so that they are able to buy all their wants. C is for them not to choose between alternatives since they cannot meet all their wants. And D is for them to use their resources as they exist. The correct answer is D, for them to use all their resources as they exist. Because scarcity cannot be eliminated, but by making efficient use of available resources, individuals can make wise economic choices. Next question. Which of the following is an economic activity? A. Attending a town meeting. B. A visit to the stadium. C. Payment of school fees. D. Arresting a petty thief. The correct answer to the question is payment of school fees. An economic activity involves production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. Paying school fees is a form of spending, thus consumption. So, well done, champions. You've just completed a thorough review of SSA past questions on the definition and scope of economics, from scarcity and opportunity cost to scale of preference and economic activities. I'm so proud of the effort you've put in it today. Remember, economics is not just about theories, it's about real-life decision. So keep practicing these concepts, apply them in your daily life, and you will not only pass your exams, but also become a wise and decision maker in the future. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next lesson. If you found this video helpful, share it with your classmates. Let's grow together. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep learning, keep shining, and stay excellent. God bless.